So for anybody that's been around a skid steer, or mainly skid steers, they put them on loaders and other stuff too, but you've dealt with a quick attach. Quick attaches are real nice because you can swap out from your bucket or your forks and do all your stuff and this and that. Now, if you've ever ran one of these, you've also dealt with quick attaches that are just a pain in the ass. You have to get pipes over them to get them up and everything to this and that. What I want to show you is the biggest trick to not have to do that. It's pretty damn complicated and really a lot of information to go through to keep these things from sticking, but it's well worth it out in the field. Now the big trick is you got to find these little things called grease zerks. You know, you have them on most removable parts on this machinery. You know, oh wait, damn, there's that one here. Then you come over here, you get this thing called a grease gun. Insert the grease gun onto the grease zerks. Pump. And voila, just like that. No more sticky quick attaches.